Lift your chest. Back heel off the floor. Hand on the inside of the leg. Elbow above your head. Get ready to switch. Switch. Where have you seen this move? You see it. Ground and pound. What we're going